Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate initializing an integer array. So what that means is we're going to put values into an integer array, and then we'll loop through and print out the values. So I'm going to create an array called ages, and I do that with the square brackets here, but I don't have to put a number in because I'm actually going to put the values in, and the compiler will count the values. So I'm going to put in 41, 37, 357, 4 million, and 61. Okay, I'll put a semicolon at the end of that. I'm also going to create an integer I that I'm going to use for a for loop. And I'm next going to put a printf statement, and I'm going to say the ages array contains the following ages. And I'll put a colon and then /n just to move down to the next line. And then I'll start my for loop. I'll say for I equals 0. So we'll start with I equals 0. I is less than 5. So this for loop will run so long as I is less than 5. And each time through the loop, I'm going to increment I by 1. Okay. All right. Each time through the loop, I'm going to have a printf statement where I print out an item in the array. And I do that by passing this %sign and d that prints out an integer. And then I call the item in the array with ages, the name of the array, at index I. Below the for loop, I'm just going to, for formatting, print a new line character. And then at the end of the function, I'll return 0. Okay, I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to open up a terminal, and let's run this. So let's first compile it. And we'll compile it into initialize array underscore YouTube for YouTube. And okay, so I went ahead and compiled it, and now let's run it. And if we run it, you see it prints out the each item in the array. So that was a little bit about creating an array and putting some items in it in C. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. It really does help the channel grow. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.